In this video, I'm going to show you how to use and set up the Google Calendar. So the very first thing we need to do is just head over to the website google.com and make sure you're signed in to a Google account. You can then click on this square icon to bring up the Google Apps, and from here just go and select Calendar. Now you can also get to the Google Calendar by typing into the address bar calendar.google.com. Now, the first thing you want to do when you're on your calendar is start creating some events. So you could do that by pressing create in the top left-hand side. You can then select the event type that you want to create. In my case, I'm going to be setting an event. You can then go and give your event a title. So this could be a birthday. You can then click on the calendar and you can select a date for your event. Now, if the event's all day, you can also check this box. And typically you're going to have this set to does not repeat. If, however, you're adding a reoccurring event such as work, then you can click on the drop down arrow and you can select the period to how often this event occurs. So for example, you could go and set this to daily, or you can go and add custom dates at the bottom down here, and then you can go and set exactly the dates that you want this event to happen. Now, if you're going to be sharing this calendar and this event with other people, you can press add guests, and then you can go and type in the email address of the person that you want to go and add. If this is an event for a Google video conference, you can also add this here. If this is an in-person event for other people, you can also add a location, and you also have the option to add a description as well. So once you finish with this, just go and press save. So as you can see, this event has now been added to my calendar, and you can navigate across the different months of your calendar by using this left navigation. You can also click on month in the top, and you can select the different days, weeks, months, and years. Now, to go and view an event that you've already created, you can simply click on it, and if you want to invite other people to this event, you can select invite via link, and then you can copy and share this link to people you want to go and access this calendar with. You can also delete and edit the event by using these navigation items. If there's a particular group event that you're looking for, you can press search for people, and then you can go and search for the person of the event that you're looking for. You can also add different calendars. So you can set different calendars for birthdays and different events as well. And you can do that by pressing the plus icon underneath other calendars, and you can select create new calendar. You can then just go through the steps by adding a name and a description, and then you can simply press create calendar. So that's how you use Google Calendar. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.